Moi everyone and welcome to Finish Your Plate. Cheese is a favorite item for Finns and there's a lot of great cheese products in Finland. I have here a cheese board that's assembled just for Finnish Christmas table. Let's take a look at a few different items that I have here. First of all, I have here some squeaky cheese, which is this fire roasted cheese product, typically from the northeastern part of Finland, maybe northern Finland. I have here some smoked Gouda that I picked up on my trip to the Catskills from Smokehouse of the Catskills. Gouda is a very common cheese in Finland. Sometimes you can also find it smoked. And then there's some Swiss cheese here too, which is loved by Finns, and some blue cheese as well. Here's a cheese spread that I made by myself. This is basically a cheese product that has some salami in it. And then this was an exciting product I found at the store. This is a Finlandia cheese chanterelle mushroom cheese spread. I have here some mustard, some gin mustard that I made myself, plus a couple types of different jams and some grapes. And as far as spread goes, a couple different types of this crisp bread. That's your regular baguette back here. And then there's the archipelago style, sweeter kind of a rye bread. To make the cheese product, first I'm gonna measure 100 grams of water in my pan over here. I'm gonna turn on the heat and start heating this up. I have here 10 grams of sodium citrate, and I'm also going to put in just a pinch of sodium hexametaphosphate. And now that my water is starting to warm up, I'm going to add 75 grams of butter. I also have here 150 grams of mixed cheeses. There's some Swiss and then there's some Gouda. I'm going to shred these and they're going to go in the pot. And now we're going to start adding our cheese a little bit at a time. Making sure it all melts. And then we'll add the second batch. And the third batch. Turn down the heat. This can be on very low heat. Now we'll mix until the mixture is completely homogeneous. I have here a piece of Hunter's salami, which is very similar like the salami sold in Finland. So I'm just going to cut a piece of this. Peel off the casing. There we go. And I'm just going to cut this into small pieces. Now while the cheese is still warm, I'm just going to mix my pieces of salami into the cheese. So now our salami cheese is ready. So I'm going to line my little bowl here with some wax paper. And I'm going to pour my cheese on the wax paper. So now this could go in the fridge to solidify. I'm just going to put a piece of wax paper on top of it too, so it will not dry out. So here we go. Here's a Finnish Christmas cheese board. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time on Finish Your Plate.